For the class, we have a pump setup. So this setup is called a centrifugal pump setup. Here we have single stage and multi-stage setup. By using this setup, we can conduct the experiments on pump, to calculate the discharge of pump, and we have to measure the performance of the pump. So first of all, I want to explain what is centrifugal pump. So centrifugal pump is operated by means of centrifugal force. That's why it is called a centrifugal pump. Maybe in physics you might have studied about the centrifugal force. So that is depends upon the speed of rotation and the radius or diameter of the rotating body. Okay, the force. So the rotation of the body, that is inside this pump, we call an impeller. So the rotation given to the impeller with the help of motor. So here we have two separate setups. One is pump and another one is motor. So normally for running this pump we want a prime mover. We are using an electric motor as a prime mover. It is a device which converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. So electrical energy can be supplied in the form of wires and it is sent to the motor. Motor converts the energy and mechanical power transfers to the pump by means of driving mechanism. Okay. Then pump is a hydraulic machine which converts mechanical energy into hydraulic energy. The mechanical energy is supplied by means of motor, and the rotary motion of the pump creates a partial vacuum inside the impeller. Okay. Usually the energy, the flow happens between high pressure region to low pressure region. Here we have a sump at the bottom where food valve is connected at the bottom. Then it is connected to the suction port of the pump. So the rotary motion of the pump causes volume change. When you increase the volume, it creates a vacuum or negative pressure. So the pressure inside the pump, which is lower than the atmospheric pressure, here we already stored the fluid in the sump at atmospheric pressure. So in this case, atmospheric pressure is higher than the pressure inside the pump. So the flow will happen from sump to impeller. So the rotary motion of the impeller causes increase in pressure. There is reduction in the volume and increase in pressure. So the pressurized fluid is sent to the overhead tank. So for this setup, to measure the performance of the pump, we need to know the suction head and the delivery head pressure. So before that, we know that what is suction head. Suction head is the distance between the eye of the impeller to the foot valve at the bottom, at the water level. That is called the suction head. The distance between the foot valve and the eye of the impeller. If the suction head increases, the pump needs to create a more vacuum to suck the fluid from the sump. Then the delivery head is the distance between the discharge pipe to the overhead tank. So how much quantity of fluid is transferred to the overhead tank that we have to measure. So for that we have a measuring scale. The water level of inside the collecting tank can be measured with the help of measuring tank. So here we have to calculate the discharge. Discharge is nothing but the amount of the volume of fluid transferred per time period. So the unit volume meter cube time second. So meter cube per second or meter cube per minute. So by considering delivery head and the suction head. Then the energy consumption of the motor can be assessed with the help of energy meter. So we are calculating the input energy and how much output is given by the pump. So by comparing output and our input, we can have a efficiency of the pump. So the efficiency of the pump is also calculated by using this thing. Then for the measuring pressure, we have a pressure gauge to measure the suction and delivery pressure. Then after collecting the tank, we can let out the water by using the valve. So this is the setup of centrifugal pump. So if you have any doubts, you can ask me.
What is the advantage of this? So multi-stage means we are using more impeller that is more than one. The purpose is if you are using a single impeller which cannot be suitable for long distance transportation application. For example, delivery head is too high, the fluid cannot be pressurized with the help of single impeller. For that, if you add the number of impellers, it will increase the pressure. So this kind of multi-stage impellers is very common in submersible motors, borewell motors. So we are taking the water around 300 or 500 feet. So that can be possible with the help of multi-stage component.
How to reduce the energy consumption of pump?
Yes. The energy consumption reduced by reducing the input. So is the efficiency is the output by input. We cannot increase the output because this setup is very common setup, but we can reduce the power consumption. That can be done by reducing the frictional losses in the pipe. So if you are using more number of elbows and reducers, there will be a pressure drop during the flow. So that we can reduce. By reducing this, we can increase the efficiency of the pump. So I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you.
Thank you.